Made it. Well, Seymour, I made it. Well, Seymour, I made it. Despite your directions.
Welcome. I hope your Lieutenant Chalmers, welcome. Super prepared for an unforgettable luncheon. Oh, Chalmers. Hamburger. Oh, you gods! My roast is ruined. Superintendent, I hope my roast is ruined. Superintendent, I hope my roast is ruined. But what if I were to purchase fast food and disguise it as my disguise into cooking? We're having. Delightfully devilish. Delightfully Seymour. Delightfully devilish. Delightfully Seymour. Some bear for an unforgettable luncheon. Oh, yeah.
Explanations. The superintendent's got the suit on and he is ready for suitcation. When he hears Skinner's legend, exaggerations, there'll be trouble in town.
Superintendent, I was just trying to make a on the windowsill. Isometric exercise.
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
Steam from the clams we're having. Steamed clams we're having. Steamed clams. In disguise. Superintendent, I hope you're ready for watering hamburgers.
We're having steamed clams.
No, I said steamed hams, but I call hamburgers.
Call hamburgers
Superintendent Chalmers.
steamed hams.
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
What region?
Upstate New York?
Really. Well, I'm from Utica for steamed. Well, I'm from Utica, and I've never heard anyone use the phrase steamed hams.
Oh, not in Utica. No, it's in Albany.
You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones. Well, I'm from Utica, Krusty Burger.
No. Patented Skinner burgers.
For steamed hams.
Yeah.
Yes. Call them steamed hams. In fact, they are obviously grilled. Hams, despite...
You know,
Yes, and you call them steamed hams, despite the fact they're obviously grilled.
One thing I think. Excuse me for 1 second.
Of course. Of course.
Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was...
You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones that... Yes, I should be... Good Lord, what is happening in there? Hams.
Yeah.
Lord!
Aurora Borealis. Borealis.
At the Borealis! At this time... You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones that... And there you are.
Not a good...
Well, I'm from part of the country, localized and kitchen.
Yes.
That's it? Well, I'm from Utica, and I've never heard anyone use the phrase steamed hams.
Oh, not in Utica. No.
Seymour! House is on fire!
Just the northern lights.
Well, Seymour, an odd yes, and you call them steamed hams. Just call them steamed, but I must say, you steam a good ham. Steamed hams.
Yeah.
Crushed chilies. Well, I'm
one thing I should
heard in Utica, and I've never heard anyone use the steamed hams.
Oh, not in Utica. Oh, it's an Albany expression. It's Albany.
These hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty Burger.
No. Patented Skinner burgers. Oh.
For...